headed out birding, but I need to get coffee first, and then we'll get into it. But it's gonna be awesome. Just unasked from the car, hearing chirping. Lots of chirping. Okay, first sightings. Phoebe, cardinal, kinglet. Call you back. Fucking GBH. G fucking BH. Chickadees, titmouses, ruby crown kinglets. Call you back. First black and white werbs of the season. Okay, so far, not a bust. Not a bust. Fly over. So everything is now northern, so it's a northern house wren, northern flicker, northern cardinals, northern mockingbird.